Alright, this short little video is going to show you how to use Google Books to search for books in Latin. So the first thing, you open up Google, you type in books Google, books Google, and press return, and then go to Google Books. Now we click on, let's go to something simple, something nice and easy. Caesaris, search books. On search tools, what you need to do is click on that, and then it says any books. You have to click on that and select free Google eBooks. It might sometimes say full view. It depends on, sometimes it says full view, sometimes it says free Google eBooks. I'm not quite sure why sometimes it chucks up one and not the other. And then you can see from the date that the book is published whether or not it's going to be easy or hard to read. Obviously a book that's earlier, like this one, is going to be a bit more difficult to read, but not necessarily. Earlier books tend to have a lot of abbreviations, like we have here, and the use of these ligatures, where and very wide variation in spelling. Here we have the ligature I written this way. The M in com plures abbreviated here. Right, so here we have a description of there's a commentary on Caesar. A more recent text, 1867, and as you can see, this is a much easier text to read. Right, De Bello Civili. Right, no abbreviations. Very, very simple to read. Disputator in concilio ab Petreo atque Afranio et tempus profectionis quaeritur, etc., etc. Nice and simple. Another thing that's useful to search for is this phrase, ad usum scholarum, and that will give you lots of student type texts. For example here, institutiones persicae ad usum scholarum accommodatai, right? Publi Virgilii Maronis opera ad usum scholarum accommodatai, and so on and so on. Lots and lots of school textbooks written in Latin. These are useful if you are a Latin student. Let's look at this one here, for example. Full size. Right, institutiones persicae ad usum scholarum accommodatai. Thomas Secundus. Right, de mundo. Disputatio de mundo generatim articulus primus, quid sit mundus et quae ilius partes potissimum consideranda. So, and then we have lots of things here. This is just the outline of the text itself. and we go on and on and on through this outline. At some point we reach the actual text. Here we go. De mundo generatim. Paucas de mundo generatim quaestiones, quantum necesse ad nostrum institutum attingemus, omissis reliquis, quae magis ad metaphysicam spectare videntur. Quid sit mundus et quae ilius partes potissimum consideranda. Articulus primus. Acceptione strictiore mundi nomine designatur complexio rerum corporearum, ex quibus universus hic aspectabilis componitur. So what's good about reading this kind of Latin is that it's actually quite comprehensible. You can get through quite a lot of text in a short time, and this is very good if you want to build up your fluency. A little trick, if you see a Google Book text, if you see this little icon here with little scissors on it, you can click on it, select the text you want. In the second of these text fields, image, click on it, click Ctrl A to highlight it, click Ctrl C to copy it, open a new tab in your browser, and then Ctrl V to paste it, and then click Enter, and that little bit that you just selected is there. Right click on it and save image as, and you can save it to your hard drive. So that's how you search Google Books for texts in Latin.